eliyeza litsha le-TB. I think ke ngoku mna izawuba into erayithi ke for abantu. So ke ngoku mna ndiye ndavuma into yoba mandiyilantuzwe, mayitraywe kum ile nto. Usabuza qaba kufotelwa ntoni? Bayoculi kwa-area umuntu mos mna othanda ukum. Laba quakes. Ingase into ayazi into yoba yeyantoni, kuqhubeka ntoni. Hawe nje.
Ayibaqandile.
Ndikhulele eWorcester.
Hayibo.
Ezwelathemba. Sadfi ko usise ndaliva ngaye. Zola waka-Williams ophangela kaSadfi wandazisa caba nami ke ndi-interested ngento zakaSadfi.
Kire yonke nje loo nto leyo ne.
Namandla bamamela into yoba ingantoni loo nto.
We are testing a new vaccine. It's the first on humans.
Ilentuza yele nto ye-TB. Abantu abaninzi baswelekile, babulewe kakhulu i-TB. So ke ngoku ndiye ndanoloyika into yoba hayi man, that means ile nto i-TB yabulala. Andizama uziprotecta, ndiprotecte nomntanam nefamily yam.
Is this one?
Jonga.
So ndiveske ndithi nxa ndimjongayo ndimjonge into yoba umntanam I want uzawuhamba ahambe like mhlawumbi angazifumani izifo ezithile. Ingandiphatha kakubi kakhulu. Andifani yakho ke. Yeah. For mna ndingumama so bendizixelela into yoba ukhula nje kwakhe.
And then wena
Ndizawuzama into yoba mandimprotecte kangangoko ndinako. Iliyeza elingazange lasetyenziswe ebantwini liye laqala lasetyenziswa kwizilwanyana and then lilunge kufuneke lilantuzwe litestwe ebantwini. So ke ngoku mna ndiye ndavuma into yoba ndizayenza.
Clinical trials are absolutely crucial for progressing science. We need to prove that vaccines A, work, and B, work safely, and work in the target populations, the people who really need the vaccines.
At the moment, the only way we can see if the vaccine's working is to vaccinate somebody and then follow them up over quite a long period of time, 2-3 years, to see if they get TB.
We need a lot of volunteers for our trials, usually around 2,000 to 3,000.
I think it's very important that the participants feel like they're part of the group, that together with us they're helping to find the vaccine. And no individual group can do it alone. The scientists need the field workers. Without the participants, we haven't got a trial. So we definitely need the community.
The moment you build a relationship with your participants, it's whereby they trust you and they're more open with you. So when we go and pick them up at the house, you can't just beep outside. You have to get out the car, you have to go knock. And with us Xhosas, it's like you have to greet whoever is there in the house. Yeah, that's how people get knowing you. I think most of the people, it's like they really there because they see the need of a new vaccine for TB, and that is why they're actually proud to being part of a clinical trial. So at the end of the day, they can tell their children or their grandchildren that I was part of finding that new vaccine.
The TB vaccine science field has come a long way. We've got a diverse portfolio of candidates that are attempting to attack the issue from different angles. We've had over 15 candidates in clinical trials, dozens more in the very early stages of development. We're looking at different ways that vaccines are delivered. This is great progress for the world.
I really give so much credit to vaccine researchers because they're doing so much with so little. It does show when you really do have some commitment to it, what can be accomplished.
All the progress that's been made in the last 10 years, it's really brought us to a very exciting turning point, I think, for TB vaccine development. Because we have a number of different kinds of candidates in the pipeline now, having human data for the first time is teaching us an enormous amount that'll help drive the vaccine development moving forward.
We've gotten vaccines into phase 2, and that's incredibly exciting.
Over the last 10 to 15 years that I've been working in the field of infectious diseases in South Africa, I think there's been dramatic shifts in understanding, and we're in a new generation now where people are understanding much more. I think it is a fundamentally different space.
We've certainly made a lot of progress in the last 10 years. We're getting new diagnostics, we're getting new drugs, we've got a pipeline of new vaccines. I think if we had an efficacious, durable vaccine, it would totally change the game for TB elimination. That would be a huge leap forward.
Particularly at this time, the first and second decade of the 21st century, the scientific opportunities are breathtaking. Things that we could not have done 10, 15, 20 years ago are now so available to us.
Well, the solution is innovation. We are going to innovate our way out of this disease. How do we get better drugs, diagnostics? How do we develop new vaccines? Innovation is the key to this disease, and we can do it. We can do it. And we just need to care enough to do it.
Bekumandi ukuba ndibe phaa kwa-SADV like senze yonke le nto besiyenza. So ndiye ndafila happy into yoba ndikwazile into yoba mandikwazi unceda abanye abantu. Because abantu abanintsi bayayifihla into yoba bane-TB. Kuba nentloni, even kwa uya ekliniki. Because into ubona abantu abaphila ngayo zintloni. So kumibi ingaske abantu bahambe bathathe i-treatment. Bangafili ngathi ngoku ayingobantu phakathi kwabanye abantu. Abantu bangatsho bakhululeke